Cooperative Societies Act 1969. Sections and Rules. Section 1. Short title, extent and commencement. Section 2. Important definitions. Section 2, subsection A. Apex Society. Section 2, subsection B. Bylaws. Section 2, subsection C. Circle Cooperative Societies. Section 2, subsection D. Central Societies. Section 2, subsection E. Committee. Section 2, subsection EA. Cooperative Arbitration Court. Section 2, subsection CB. Consortium Lending Scheme. Section 2, subsection CC. Cooperative Development and Welfare Fund. Section 2, subsection ECC. Cooperative Ombudsman. Section 2, subsection CD. Cooperative Service Examination Board. Section 2, subsection F. Cooperative Societies. Section 2, subsection G. Cooperative Society with Limited Liability. Section 2, subsection H. Cooperative Society with Unlimited Liability. Section 2, subsection HA. Deposit Guarantee Scheme. Section 2, subsection HP. Director of Cooperative Audit. Section 2, subsection J. Dispute. Section 2, subsection IA. District Cooperative Bank. Section 2, subsection JB. Federal Society. Section 2, subsection J. Financing Bank. Section 2, subsection K. General Body Meeting. Section 2, subsection L. Member. Section 2, subsection LA. Miscellaneous sections. Section 2, subsection M. Nominal or associate member. Section 2, subsection N. Officer. Section 2, subsection O. Prescribed by rules. Section 2, subsection OA. Primary Agriculture Credit Society. Section 2, subsection OB. Primary Credit Society. Section 2, subsection OC. Primary Cooperative Agriculture Rural Development Bank. Section 2, subsection P. Registrar. Section 2, subsection Q. Rules. Section 2, subsection QA. Scheduled Caste. Section 2, subsection QB. Scheduled Tribe. State of Kerala. Section 2 R. Section 2, subsection RA. KS Card Bank. Section 2, subsection RA. KS Card Bank. Section 2, subsection RB. State Cooperative Bank. Section 2, subsection RC. State Cooperative Election Commission. Section 2, subsection S. State Cooperative Union. Section 2, subsection R. Tribunal. Section 2, subsection TA. Urban Cooperative Bank. Section 2, subsection TAA. Urban Cooperative Society. Section 2, subsection TB. Vigilance Officer. Section 2, subsection U. Year. Section 3 to 9. Rule 3 to 8. Registration of Cooperative Society and its procedure. Section 6. Application for registration. Section 7. Rule for registration. Section 8. Registration certificate. Section 9. Need and effect of registration. Rule 8. First general body. Section 10. Change of name of society. Section 11. Rule 12. Change of liability. Section 12. Rule 9. Amendment of bylaw. Section 12. 6. Rule 10. Compulsory amendment of bylaws. Section 14. Rule 13. Amalgamation, transfer of assets, liabilities and division of society. Section 14. Rule 14. Compulsory amalgamation and division of society. Section 16. Membership of cooperative society. Section 16. Rule 16. Qualification of member. Rule 16A. Identity card. Section 17. Rule 18. Expulsion of member. Section 18. Nominal or associate member. Section 20. Right of members to vote. Section 21. Manner of exercising vote. Section 22. Registration in holding share. Section 23. Restriction on transfer of shares. Section 24. Restriction on withdrawal of shares. Liability of past member. Section 26. Section 27. Final authority of cooperative society. Section 27. Representative general body. Section 28. Constitution of general body. Section 28. L. Appointment of committee. Section 28. LA. Number of members in a committee of a society. Section 28. LB. Percentage of member in a committee of society. Section 28. LC. Reservation for members having deposits of 10,000 rupees and above. Section 28.5. Quorum of the committee. Section 28.2. Disqualification of committee members. Rule 35. Section 28. Procedures regarding conduct of election committee of society. Rule 39. Term of committee member. Section 28A. Reservation for women and SC/ST member in committee of a society. Section 28AA. Reservation of a person with banking experience or professional qualification in the committee of urban cooperative banks. Section 28B. State Cooperative Election Commission. Section 29. Annual General Body Meeting. Section 30. Rule 36. Special General Body Meeting. Government nominees on committee of an apex society. Section 31. Rule 37. Section 32. Supersection of committee. Section 33. Appointment of administrator or new committee to constitute a committee. Section 34. Securing possession of records. Section 35. Privileges of cooperative societies. Section 37. Deduction from salary of debtors to meet society's claim in certain cases. Section 39. Share or interest or reserve fund not liable to attachment. Section 30, exemption from certain taxes, fees and duties. Section 44, Principal State Participation Fund. Section 44, Principal State Partnership Fund. Section 45, Subsidiary State Partnership Fund. Section 46, Approval of Government to Purchase Shares. Section 48, Restriction on Amount of Dividend. Section 50, Disposal of Share Capital of Dividend, etc. Section 53, Other Forms of State Aid. Section 53G, Settlement of Dues to the Government. Section 56, Disposal of Net Profit. Section 56, Rule 60-61, Reserve Funds. Section 56, Subsection 2, Payment of Dividend to Members. Section 56, Subsection 2A, Payment of Dividend to Members. Section 56, Subsection 2C, Transfer of Net Profit to Agriculture Credit Stabilization Fund. Section 56 to Clause CC, Professional Education Fund. Section 57, Rule 54, Investment of Fund. Section 57A, Cooperative Development Welfare Fund. Section 57B, Deposit Guarantee Scheme. Section 57C, Consortium Lending Scheme. Section 57D, Cooperative Risk Fund Scheme. Section 58, Restriction on Borrowing. Section 61, Rule 58, Provident Fund. Section 62, Rule 59, Gratuity Act. Rule 63, Fluid Resources. Section 63(1), Director of Cooperative Audit. Section 63(7), BC shall be under the control of Registrar. Section 63 and 64, Audit of Cooperative Society. Section 64, Audit Defects. Rule 65, Audit Fee. Section 65, Rule 66, Inquiry by Registrar. Section 66, Rule 66, Supervision and Inspection. Section 66A, Power of Registrar to give direction. Section 67, Cost of Inquiry and Inspection. Section 68, Surcharge. Section 68A, Vigilance Officer. Section 69, Settlement of Dispute. Section 69A, Cooperative Ombudsman. Section 70, Disposal of Arbitration Reference. Section 70A, Cooperative Arbitration Code. Section 70B, Provision as to pending proceedings. Rule 76, Procedure for Attachment and Sale of Movable Property. Rule 81 to 84, Sale of Immovable Property. Section 71, Rule 69 and 70, Liquidation. Section 72, Liquidator. Section 73, Powers of Liquidator. Section 74, Cancellation of Society. Section 74A, Insured Cooperative Banks. Section 74B, Opening Branches. Section 74C, Inspection in Certain Societies. Section 74D, Duties of Chief Executive to supply confirmation certificate. Section 74E, Manner of acceptance of deposits and lending of money. Section 74F, right of loan. Section 74G, liability in cooperative society. Section 75, enforcement of charge. Section 76, Rule 71 to 92, execution of orders. Section 77, period of limitation. Section 78, amendment of property before award. Section 79, recovery of sum due to government. Section 182 to 200, Rule 182 to 200, establishment related matters. Section 80, establishment. Section 80A, pension scheme. Section 80B, cooperative service examination board. Section 80BIA, cooperative service examination board shall also conduct competitive or qualification exam, if any, for promotion of employees in a society. Section 85, subsection 5, reservation for handicapped in the employment of a society. Section 80, subsection 6, government shall have powers to fix the pay and other benefits to employees. Section 81, tribunal. Section 82, appeal to tribunal. Section 82IA, the tribunal shall pass an order within 6 months. Section 83, appeal to other authorities. Section 84, revision before tribunal. Section 85, review before tribunal. Section 86, interlocutory order by tribunal. Section 88, Rule 126 to 146, Circle Cooperative Union. Section 89, State Cooperative Union. Section 91, Functions of Cooperative Union. Section 95, Offences and Penalties. Section 95, Cognizance of Offences. Section 107, Companies Act not applicable to societies. Section 109, Government powers to make case rules. Section 110, Repeal and Savings.